Okay, you all, I know a lot of us are quarantining and it's not fun staying at home every day, every day. But guess what you could do? You could order yourself a puzzle. That's what I did. Okay, you all, this puzzle has 500 pieces. It also has great artwork. Check it out. Look at all those zodiac signs. My fiance and I, we like to do puzzles on a regular. So we get puzzles done. We might sit back, drink some wine, watch a movie while we're doing it, while our daughter is asleep, because this is a big puzzle and she'll be into it. So we want to get this done, make sure that we have all the pieces with us. And I love that it supplied you with this big poster of how the puzzle should look. Pretty cool. So many deals, so little time. Go ahead, make sure you're going into the Amazon account. When you get into the Amazon account, where it says code at the end, put in that Run Deals code and get 60, 70, 80, 90% off your items. Check them out.